Well, he was once the top cop in America, but now instead of bringing criminal charges against others, former FBI Director James Comey appeared before a judge this morning to defend against criminal charges brought against him. Natalie Brand is in Washington, D.C. with more details.
Inside this federal courthouse in Virginia, former FBI Director James Comey faced charges brought by the Justice Department he once served. He pleaded not guilty to one count of obstruction of a congressional proceeding and one count of making false statements related to 5-year-old Senate testimony during which he denied authorizing leaks to the media.
I stand by what the testimony you summarized that I gave in May of 2017.
CBS News legal contributor Jessica Levinson says the charges could be tough for the government to prove.
The prosecution has to show here that James Comey didn't make a mistake, that he didn't have a memory issue, that he didn't intend to say one thing but accidentally said another thing. The bar for perjury is high as it should be.
Comey's attorney says he will file 3 motions, including vindictive and unlawful prosecution.
Essentially, he's going to argue, among other things, in his first motions that this is a vindictive prosecution. And unlike most other cases, he has quite a load of evidence to bring to the court.
I think he's a crooked guy. He's a dirty cop.
Comey's indictment came days after the president posted this on social media, putting pressure on Attorney General Pam Bondi to go after political rivals, including Comey.
He was indicted by one of the most liberal grand juries in the country, by our U.S. Attorney Lindsay Halligan. Right here in Virginia.
Leading the case against Comey, President Trump's former personal attorney, Lindsay Halligan, who was appointed as the interim U.S. attorney for the Eastern District of Virginia after her predecessor resigned, facing pressure to prosecute political rivals. Natalie Brand, CBS News, Washington.
And this is Halligan's first career prosecution. She brought in 2 other attorneys to assist in the case following recent firings and resignations in the U.S. Attorney's Office. If Comey is convicted of both charges, he could face a maximum sentence of 5 years in prison and a fine of $250,000.